Triggers are a way to do something when a certain situation occurs. There's two kinds of triggers supported at this time, scheduled and reactive. To set up triggers, visit the trigger page from your I/O account. Now, there's two types of triggers that you can set up for now. You can schedule them or you can have a reactive trigger. The scheduled ones are the easiest to understand. Basically, you can set up the feed to email you every 30 minutes up to 1 week. All you have to do is select the feed that you want to have emailed and create. Now you'll get an email every half an hour with the value of the pie temperature feed automatically sent to you by Adafruit IO. You can also set up reactive triggers. Now, reactive triggers are a little bit more complicated. First, select the feed you want to react to, for example, the pie temperature. Then you can select a comparison. These are for numeric values only. Now, if the pie temperature is less than either a feed value or a numeric value, you can have it email you if you have Adafruit IO Plus, send a webhook message to a URL, or publish a message to a different feed. When paired with feed notification, you can easily keep track of the health of your feed and also when something's gone wrong. Notifications and triggers are handy for keeping tabs on your feeds, and the webhook capabilities give you a lot of integration options. But you may want to integrate into more services besides emails and webhooks, and sometimes the webhook data is not formatted in the exact right way. Service integration in Adafruit IO lets you supercharge your feeds.